Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring on PC using an easy method. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum specifications, which typically include a processor like an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 3, 8 GB of RAM, and a graphics card such as an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 or AMD Radeon RX 580. Next, update your graphics drivers for optimal performance. Finally, acquire the game and prepare your preferred input device. Once in the game, mastering the controls is key. Movement is typically handled with the W, A, S, D keys or left stick on a controller. Attacks are usually left click or right trigger, while dodging is often spacebar or the B button. Spend some time in the tutorial area to practice these fundamental actions. The user interface displays your health, stamina, and focus points, which are crucial for survival. For an easier start, consider a class like the Vagabond or Samurai, known for their balanced stats and strong early-game weapons. Explore the Limgrave region extensively to find crafting materials, runes, and new equipment. Focus on leveling vigor for more health, endurance for stamina, and your primary damage stat. Engaging weaker foes like the common soldiers will help you refine your combat timing and evasion techniques. As you progress, incorporate advanced tactics. Spirit Ashes can summon powerful allies to distract enemies, giving you an advantage in tough battles. Don't hesitate to try various weapon skills and incantations to find what works best for your build. Observing enemy movements and anticipating their attacks will significantly improve your survivability. For particularly stubborn bosses, summoning another player for cooperative assistance can make a huge difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.